Hey guys, so we are here opening the Star Wars The Force Awakens Falcon Millennial. And what? Millennial Falcon. And we opened it because my husband wasn't filming. Okay, show Daddy the three characters. We got a Chewbacca. Oh, put it on, mister. Where does this go? Show him the BB-8.
How do we open up the Millennial Falcon? We need to open it up.
Yeah, okay. And it also opens up here. It's okay. And then this, I don't know how to open up because there was a way that maybe everything opens.
Huh? Fix it.
Okay, we'll see. Whoa!
Fix it. Oh
Look! Whoa! 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 Now, we need to figure out how this comes out because this was out. Okay, let's see. Hold it. We have some stickers here. It came with 3 characters and the instructions. So, once we read the instructions, we're going to be able to show you everything and all the features. So, for now, we know this here, cabin. Let's see. Oh, you take some batteries too. I think you just push it like this. Okay, 1 second. 1, you do this. 2, you do. Wait. Wesley, I'm trying to figure it out.
No.
Was there anything else in the box? Okay, it's okay. I can, yeah, you can. So we can, yeah, we'll open in a second. We can open this part. Oh, and we have here some compartments too.
What is this?
Like this. I don't know if this opens or not.
Yeah.
But this has some kind of.
What's sitting there? What's sitting there? Mama. What's sitting there? Mama, what's sitting there?
I need a scissor for this.
The construction
But this should be doing that. It doesn't do it. Ooh, there's a part here that opens. Okay, what's this? What do you think this is, William?
Boom gun.
Show Daddy.
Look at this.
Oh, this could go here, maybe. Something like this. It goes in the little holes. Go here, maybe. And it goes. Okay, let's read the instructions and come back. I want to. Okay, William, get out of the way.
We make sure Finn and Chewbacca go inside. Uh-oh. Something like that. Chewbacca's armor. Hey, Walt. Let's wait a sec. Hey, Wesley, can you move your head?
Why?
So I can see. Okay, they're gonna. There.
Oh. Someone wants to help.
All right, look, they're in there. Will they're flying the ship?
He's breaking the instructions.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have them. All right.
No, hold on.
It is open.
Okay. Now let's not lose the parts, guys. All right. So now let's put the back on. Can you give me the back, Will? Or Wes? All right.
And Frank, who forgot this? Yes.
Oh, let's put them inside. Let's put the parts inside.
They go somewhere in there.
I know. We'll figure it out later. Alright, ready for takeoff?
Yeah!
Go! There it goes, Will! Whoa! 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 Oh no, one of the bay doors is open. Uh-oh, is the gun gonna pop up? Let's see, let's see. I think it's something to do with this button here.
There's another one on the other side too.
I know. That's
Whoa!
Whoa, you see that? That popped up this gun, watch. Oh, ready to fight. And now there's this one, but this one still has a piece of cardboard here blocking it, so we can't open it. So we gotta fix that. We gotta get
Some scissors. Where does this go? Oops. Get up.
No break it.
No, no.
Gotta be careful. Oh.
No, the gun is gonna come
Whoa! Good job. Okay. So, whoa! Now scissors. So if you put this back down, press one button, press this button, boom! Whoa!
Okay, let's see. Bye, people. Bye.
We still have to put the stickers on. Hi, Walter.
Bye.
Now the stickers.
Bye.
Let's see where they go. Bye, Rosa. Bye. Where do the stickers go? You can see. But this is so cool. Okay, we'll see you next time. Oh, here's where the stickers go. We'll come back and do the stickers. But here are the boys playing.
All right, guys.
Here he goes. Okay, say bye-bye.